loose door hinge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it nice and So you have a loose door hinge and you want to try to fix it. The very first step is to identify what the actual problem is. So looking at this door hinge, it's not mounting here to the actual jamb anymore. So the first step to identifying the problem is grabbing a Phillips or star head screwdriver. We're going to make sure that all of these screws here are tight into the jamb. So the bottom two screws here are just fully spinning. The top one seems to be biting a little bit, but it just continues to spin. So identifying this, it's still loose here on the jamb. So let's take these screws out and we'll see what's causing the issue. So now that we have all three screws out, we can see what the issue is. If you take the screw, you can see it's just sliding right into all three holes. So over time, from the hinges being removed and replaced, you can see that the holes that hold this screw into the jamb have gotten too large. So this is a very easy fix. What we're going to do is pack some additional wood back into each one of these screw holes and then resecure the hinge. To fill these three holes in, you have multiple different options. Because I don't want to have to drill the holes out bigger to fit in a large piece of round stock, what I'm going to use is just a very small piece of round. So I'll stick it all the way into the jamb here. I'll snap it off so you can see it inside of the hole there. I'll move to the middle one. And then I'll move to the top one up here. So now you can see I've got a small piece of round stock in each one of the holes here. Now that we have all three holes filled, we're going to reattach the hinge. I've switched over to my drill. To make this a bit easier, I'm going to start with the middle one. Now to the top one. And now to the bottom. And you can now see that the hinge is tight into the jamb again. You can resecure the hinge using a screwdriver, but if you do have a drill, it makes the process a lot easier. And just like that, you've fixed the loose hinge. If you found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.